New York doctor returning from Guinea is latest case of Ebola in the US. A New York doctor who recently returned from West Africa where he had been treating Ebola patients tested positive for the disease on Thursday, becoming the 9th person to be treated for the Ebola virus in the United States. New York doctor Craig Spencer had been working with Doctors Without Borders in Guinea, where he had been treating Ebola patients. Spencer left Guinea on October 14th and travelled via Brussels, where he stayed in a hotel, before arriving back in the US at New York's JFK Airport on October 17th. Since his return, he had been monitoring his temperature twice daily for signs of a fever, one of the early signs of the Ebola virus. The day before he was diagnosed, Spencer reportedly travelled on the subway, visiting 2 bowling alleys before returning home in an Uber taxi. He contacted his employers after recording a fever of 103 degrees on Thursday. Health officials said 3 people who had been in close contact with Spencer, his fiancée and 2 friends, are now in quarantine and will be monitored for symptoms for a period of 21 days. At a press conference following the diagnosis, New York Mayor Bill de Blasio and Governor Andrew Cuomo reassured residents and said there was no reason to worry about an outbreak of the deadly disease.